Built your first agent and looking to make it better? Great. Let's teach it something and test what it knows. Hey, I'm Willis. This week's Copilot Tip of the Week is all about adding knowledge and testing your agent in Copilot Studio. Add knowledge in Overview page. You've got your agent. Now, let's make it smarter. Go to your agent's overview, scroll to the knowledge section, and click Add Knowledge. Choose the type of content you'd like to add, such as a website link, a SharePoint document, or a file from your computer. Click Add, and you're set. Test Chat Panel. Now you can test the agent. Open the test panel by clicking the test icon in the right-hand corner and start chatting. As you chat, make sure your agent's voice and tone sound correct. Also, check that your agent is using the knowledge that you added. Adding knowledge and testing are key to making smart, helpful agents. Next time, we'll show you how to publish your agent for the world to try. And that's your Copilot Tip of the Week.